Next point is homologous series. That is series of compound formed by joining functional group. A series of organic compound which containing same functional group, it is called as homologous series. For example, first one, series of halogen. We already learned here what is halogen. Halogen means fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. In halogen, one of these hydrogen atom is replaced by halogen atoms. This is called as halogen derivative. Then series of halogen. If first member of suppose alkane is CH4. First member of alkane is CH4. Then second member of alkane is suppose C2H6. Then third member C3H8. That is, these are having general formula CnH2n plus 2. This alkane series, it is called as, it is having formula CnH2n plus 2. Again C4H10, C5H12. This is series of alkane. Name of this compound is methane, ethane, propane, butane and pentane. If it contains first one carbon atom, it is called as methane. If it contains 2 carbon atom, it is called as ethane. If it contains 3 carbon atom, it is called as propane. If contains 4, butane, and if contains 5 carbon atom, it is called as pentane. Then this is called as homologous series of alkane. This is a series of alkane, homologous series of alkane. Then series of this halogen. Suppose one of these hydrogen atom of this methane, see here CH4, one of these hydrogen atoms are replaced, then it becomes CH3, and if it replaced by Cl, it is called as methyl chloride. From methane, it is called as methyl group and methyl chloride. Then second member, suppose C2H5, again one of these hydrogen atom of this ethane is replaced by chlorine atom. It is called as ethyl chloride. Again one of these hydrogen atom of this propane is replaced by C3H7Cl, again halogen, chlorine. One of these hydrogen atom of this butane is replaced by again chlorine. Again here one of these hydrogen atom is replaced by chlorine, C5H11Cl. This is called as homologous series of halogen. In this series, all having same functional group. All these members are having same functional group. Which functional group here? That is chlorine. Here also chlorine, 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 chlorine. Hence it is called as homologous series. This chlorine is replaced by same, that is same number of hydrogen. That is end number of, at last number of hydrogen. Hence it is called as homologous series of halogen. Then in this series, that is 2 members of this series. Sequentially 2 members of this series, it differ by CH2 group. Here, what is difference between this CH4 and C2H6? This increase by 1 carbon atom and increase by 2 hydrogen atom. That means difference between these 2 molecules is CH2 group. Again difference between these 2 molecules, C2H6 and C3H7. Also here difference are of CH2 group. Here also, that is in homologous series, first member and second member is differ by which group? Chlorine is same in all these elements, but what is difference? Here CH3, here C2H5. Here 1 hydrocarbon atom goes increase, hence write here 1 carbon. Here 2 hydrogen atom goes increase, hence write here CH2. Again in these 2 elements, it goes on increase by CH2. Again in these 2 molecules, any 2 molecules, sequentially any 2 molecules are differ by CH2. In homologous series, sequentially any 2 molecules are differ by CH2 groups, that is 14 units. These are differs by 14 units, that is atomic number, atomic weight by 14. How this 14? That is 12 of this carbon atom and 2 of this hydrogen, that means these are increased by 14 units. This is characteristic of this homologous series. First characteristic of homologous series, that is in series there is having same general formula. In alkane, here what is general formula? CnH2n plus 2. See, all these molecules having this formula, CnH2n plus 2. Suppose CH4, carbon number 4, hydrogen 2n plus 2 means hydrogens are 4. In second example, carbon numbers are 2, then hydrogen 2n plus 2 means how many hydrogen? 6 hydrogen. In third example, carbons are 3, hydrogens are 2n plus 2, that means 8 hydrogen atom. In this compound, that is what is general formula? CnH, here 2n minus 1 x. CnH2n minus 1 x. This is general formula. See here, that is carbon number 1. Hydrogens 2n minus 1, that is 3 and x. Here also carbons are 2. Hydrogen 2n minus 1, that means 6 and x. That means one of these hydrogen atom is replaced by here halogen atoms, and it is called as homologous series. Third example, suppose alcohol series. That is alcohol series. In alcohol series, suppose this first member CH3OH. Functional group of alcohol is OH. Hence, first member is CH3. That means one of this hydrogen atom of this methane is replaced by OH group. It becomes methyl alcohol. Then second members of this series C2H5. Again by replacing one of this hydrogen atom by alkane, that is ethane, by OH. Third member C3H7OH. Fourth member C4H9OH. Next member C5H10OH. See, again in this first and second member is differ by CH2 group. Second and third member differ by CH2 group. That means how many units? Again 14 units. These are differ, each member sequentially differs by 14 units. Then general formula of this compound, again CnH2n minus 1 OH or CnH2nO. This is called as general formula of this alcohol. From this, that is first characteristic of this homologous series, that is each member sequentially differ by CH2 group, that is 14 units. Then in homologous series, it having same molecule, same general formula. Homologous series having same general formula. In alkane CnH2n, in halogen CnH2n plus X, and in alcohol CnH2n plus OH. Then these are having same chemical properties. As these are having same general formula, in this all these alcohol series, all these members having same chemical formula, same chemical property. Then in this homologous series, these are also having same general formula. These are also having same general formula. That means in homologous series, all members having same general formula. That is same general formula, same chemical properties. Each members differ by CH2. Only physical properties of this homologous series are different. In this way, this is the homologous series. Then next, that is straight chain and branch chain compound. Straight chain and branched chain compounds. In straight chain compound, suppose example of pentane having formula C5H12. Then structural formula, straight chain compound of this compound is, that is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH3. All these carbon atoms are in straight chain, hence it is called as N-pentane. Then second, branch chain compound of this same compound, that is suppose CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. This is same structural formula of this C5H10. This is first carbon, second, third, fourth. If there is a branch on this second carbon atom, it is called as branch chain compound. This first is called as straight chain compound and this second compound is called as a branch chain compound. As there is one branch on second carbon atom, name of this branch is methyl. If there is one methyl branch on second carbon atom, it is called as isopentane. Write prefix here, iso. Name of this compound is iso. And if there are two branches on second carbon atom, suppose CH3, C, CH3, CH3, CH3. In this compound, suppose this carbon first, second and third. On this second carbon atom, if there are two methyl branches, this is called as neopentane. Neopentane. In this way, these all are saturated hydrocarbons. The straight chain and branch chain compounds, these are also saturated and unsaturated. Saturated and unsaturated. Suppose all these three examples are of saturated hydrocarbons. If there are some the carbon-carbon double bond in between these two carbon atoms, suppose here CH, here CH2 and here carbon-carbon double bond. It is called as N-pentene. By replacing A of the ANE, that is N of this alkane by in, it is called as N-pentene. This is unsaturated compound. We already learned what is saturated and unsaturated compound. Saturated compound means having carbon-carbon single bond and unsaturated compound means having carbon-carbon double bond. Suppose this isopentene, if here carbon-carbon double bond, CH here CH2, this is called as isopentene. And third one, if there is one of these carbon atom having carbon-carbon double bond, this is called as neopentane. In this way, there are straight chain and branch chain compounds in saturated and unsaturated compound, that is isobutylene. Then there is also saturated and unsaturated compound in, that is cyclic hydrocarbons. Cyclic hydrocarbons. There is also saturated compound and unsaturated compound. Suppose first example, here suppose 3 carbon atoms join in cyclic form and having carbon-carbon single bond, this is called as cyclopropane. If there are 4 hydrogen atoms, this is called as cyclopropane. And if one of these carbon-carbon double bond in this compound, it is called as cyclopropene. It also forms cyclopropene. Then second example, suppose 6 carbon atom are in cyclic form and having carbon-carbon single bond. It is called as there are 6 carbon atom and joined to 6 hydrogen atoms by again 4 valency of each carbon atom, then it is called as cyclohexane. Cyclohexane means it contains 6 carbon atom, hence it is called as hexane, and all these carbon are in cyclic form, hence it is called as cyclohexane. Then unsaturated compound, also these cyclic hydrocarbons. Suppose this compound having 4 carbon atoms and here carbon double bond, then it joined to only 1 hydrogen atom, it joined to one hydrogen, it's also. Name of this compound is, that is butene, cyclobutene. It is called as cyclodibutene, or it contains only carbon 1 double bond, then it is called as cyclobutene. That means it contains carbon double bond, hence here by replacing N by in, cyclobutene, and it contains 4 carbon atom, hence it is called as cyclobutene. In this way cyclohexene etc., cyclopentene, cyclohexene etc. And next example, that is unsaturated compound, is that is well known example, it also having alternate carbon single bond and double bond. Name of this compound is benzene. This is also unsaturated compound. Molecular formula of this compound is C6H6 and molecular formula of this compound is C6H12. This is saturated compound. Saturated compound means it having carbon single bond, and this is unsaturated compound. In this way there are cyclic hydrocarbons are also cyclic hydrocarbons. Now here we will learn in this lecture, that is first one, what is chemistry, then second compounds, what are compounds, what are elements, then next uniques of carbon, then hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons means saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Then next point is functional group, then next homologous series, and last point that is straight chain and branch chain and ring of carbon atoms, that is saturated and unsaturated compounds. Do you understand this, all these points? Do you understand this? Yes or no? Yes. Now today we'll stop here. Thank you.